Okay, so in response to people requesting that I post a video up with the headlight on at night, as you can see here, this is it as we have. That's low beam and that's high beam, so I would think it'll reach quite a ways. It's not too bad. I'll just come over here and probably going to wash out, but it is quite bright. That's on the low beam, and the high beam. Again, I don't think that'll show up too well, but it's not a bad light. That's again high beam and low beam. So there you have it. It seems to light up the road quite well in front. I'm about 20 feet, I guess, from the garage door. So it's got a pretty good reach. So yeah, there you go. Thanks again for watching, guys. Appreciate the views and the thumbs up. Take care. Keep the rubber side down. Bye.